Our next step is to create some text for our keychain plate. If you scroll down on the basic shapes menu, you should find the text command. So just click and hold and drag the text somewhere onto your work plane. Now if you look in the dialog box that was created by the text command, you should see the text option and the place where you can change the text, just to the right of that. So let's change our text to the word keys. The text dialog box doesn't give you the options to change the width and the length, but it does give you a slider to adjust the height. So we can slide this, but I want to make it precisely 5 units high. So I'm going to click on the option box and enter 5. My shape dialog box is starting to get in the way of me seeing the values I want to change for the width and length of my keys text. So I'm just going to drag the view cube around so I have a little bit different perspective. And now I'm going to change these values. So the length is 100 and the width I want to make 30. I can also get a little more viewing room by collapsing the basic shapes menu. There's a little arrow on the shape dialog box that kind of points to the right. I'm going to click on that. That will collapse the shapes menu and give us a little more room to view what we're doing with our keys text. So now I want to move my keys text onto the box. But first I want to raise it so it's a little bit higher than the box. So again, I have this little black arrow I can click on and elevate it a little bit. And I'm going to return to my home perspective view. Then I'm going to click and drag the word keys so it looks like it's in a good spot on my box. You may want to double check and make sure your keys text is intersecting with the box properly. So I would click on the front view, and then you should see, if your keys text is highlighted, the black arrow that allows you to adjust it vertically, and make sure it just drops down a little bit into your box.